to it. Now, here's a couple of things. Can you control the content? That's one of the criteria. Can you control your content? Can you control your presence? We talked about that in the first section. Here's an example of not controlling the content. This is not better. Hey, everybody, here we are at the East County Fair, live from the Owl's Pawn Shop booth that's behind Sherry's Cinnamon Roll stand. I'm feeling hungry already. Man, you should be here because you're missing out on a ton of fun. I mean, there's a lot going on here. And with me is Al. Now, Al, tell us about those prizes you got on your prize wheel today. That's boring, right? Who's going to keep listening to that? Where you're describing things that are happening and where you are, and it just goes right over listeners' heads and creates a tune out. Now, here's something that is better. Last night's corn dog eating champion just came by and challenged intern Dave to eat 12 deep fried Oreos in 30 seconds. Now, that's the ultimate challenge, and it doesn't seem that hard, but he looks green already. You think we should stop him? It's going to happen in 15 minutes on the Main Street stage, just off the Midway, and it's streaming live. Go to our website to watch, and if you can stop by to help us, stop and say hi at the booth.